Hi guys, welcome you all in our new tutorial video. Today I'll show you how to design this logo. For this logo we use the new tool which is the transformation tool. So today we are going to perform the transform of object. Here it is in the effects you can see the distort and transform tool. So first of all you have to create a shape like a leaf. Let's assume. So we have created two simple circles and place them above each other. Now selecting both of them, and in the pathfinder tool you can see that intersect tool in the shape mode. Click that one. Here you get the shape bit like a leaf. To make it a perfect leaf you have to so, here it are leaf type shape. So you have to first rotate it. For rotating, press a shift key, it will rotate to a minus 90 degree. Now select this tool, curvature tool, and move this point a bit further and this point a bit closer. Now it looked like a bit like a leaf. So here it is, our shape, right? So after this, go on the effect menu and click on the distort and transform. Here you get the transform option. So for the transformation, first click on the preview option so that you can see what's happening. As you seeing in the above logo, the leaves that are being copied are a bit smaller size, so that's scaling option. So let's assume I select it to somewhat 87, 83, and give it an angle 60 degree, make about 5 copies. Now move that. So moving it and horizontal, here you can select the side to which you want your transformation to be done. So here you can see like this one. So yeah, that's the scaling as we have did a bit more. So now you can see our logo is complete. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel.